John Wallace, Wild Game Cook. Today we're going to be making dove wings, boneless dove wings. We're just simply taking our dove breast. We're going to dredge them up real nice to get them nice and crispy, and then you can toss them in any sauce that you'd like. We're probably going to go with maybe an Asian option today. We very well may just go with the traditional buffalo version. Just keep it simple. We're going to take our dove breast, and we're going to marinate it in just a little bit of olive oil. Maybe about a quarter cup, just enough to kind of coat the breast. We're not looking to do too much. We're going to do about a clove of garlic, maybe a little less. Again, we're not trying to flavor the dove a terrible amount. That's going to come from the sauce. We want the dove to shine through. We're going to add a little bit of steak seasoning. In this case, it's Reload Magnum. We're also going to season our dredge mixture, so there's no need to over season your marinade. But that's it. Little olive oil, little seasoning. You can use salt and pepper. We're using steak seasoning. A little bit of garlic just to give it a little bit of knock the edge off out of the field. We've got them draining in here. We're going to go ahead and simply just dump these in there. Give them a good stir so that we know they're nice and coated. You can put these in the fridge, give them about 10 minutes just to kind of get a nice chill to them. Normally when you're cooking meat, you kind of want to bring it up to temp a little bit. With these doves, they're so small. If you bring it up to temp and you go to sear it on both sides, you're going to overcook it. So we're going to put it in the fridge, get a little bit of a chill to it, and then we're going to bring it out, dredge it, fry it, sauce them, eat them. Stay tuned. All right, while those are in the fridge, we're going to go ahead and make our dredge. What I like to do is a combination of flour and cornstarch. You don't have to use the cornstarch. To me, it just simply helps crisp them up a little bit. We're going to do about a full cup of flour. And we're going to do half that amount in cornstarch. Doesn't have to be an exact science. Again, you can use all flour if you'd like, just regular all-purpose flour. We're gonna go ahead and season up this dredge. We're just going to put a little bit more of that steak seasoning in there. You could use a little bit of garlic powder, onion powder if you'd like. Again, we don't want to go too crazy. Go ahead and give that a good stir so that the seasoning's mixed in. Go ahead and put a pinch of salt and pepper in there. For our wet batter, we're going to take a cup of milk and 1 egg. And just go ahead and whisk that in. All right, we've got these out of the refrigerator. We're going to go ahead and drop them one by one to make sure we get good coverage into our dry dredge, into the wet mix, back into the dry. And then we're going to set them to the side and let them sit for a little bit just so they can kind of meld together, and then we're going to put them in our hot pan and fry them up in a little bit of olive oil. And that's it. That's all we're really looking for right there. We're going to go ahead and take care of the rest of these. We'll see you back here in a minute. We're going to go ahead and clean up our clean station, put this in the sink, clean this up, and we'll get to frying these. All right, our pan is starting to smoke, so we're just going to go ahead and fill this up with a little bit of cooking oil. We're going to go ahead and wait for our oil to start smoking a little bit. We're just going to drop these in, fry them until they're golden brown on both sides. We're going to let them rest, and that's it. Keep it simple. All right, our oil is smoking. We're going to go ahead and drop these in one by one, not to crowd the pan. Unlike chicken, where we're looking to get them well done, we're looking to still have some color on the insides of these, so we're only going to put them in there for a minute or so on each side. Give them a flip, let them rest. And that's it here with this first batch. right, we're gonna go ahead and sauce up these wings. We've got our bowl. We're gonna go with a little bit of an Asian flair here. We're just gonna throw a little bit of teriyaki in, more so just to kind of lube up this bowl here to get things tossed around. This is what we call eel sauce or sushi sauce in the store. I want to say the technical term may be unagi. We just buy it pre-made. Again, you can do any pre-made marinade you like. This just helps thicken up that teriyaki sauce. I'm going to toss a couple of them in there. This is a great recipe. Again, other than just wrapped in bacon, giving someone poppers again, this is a great way to introduce someone new to wild game because it's very familiar. Looks like any restaurant you'd go to and get your boneless wings. And when you tell them it's Dove, they're likely not even to believe you. So dress it up, make it look a little fancier. And that's it right there, boneless Dove wings, aka breaded fried dove breast, teriyaki style. Make sure to check this recipe out. And all the other recipes on MidwayUSA.com.